So now we are leaving Vickers Water. That gate is locked.
Yeah.
And what we're going to do is we're going to drive to the entrance of Center Parcs and drive past Sherwood Pines. What was alarm that? Is it still going off? Fucking car park. This will be a fairly short one, this little section that I'm going to do today. Straight up to Center Parcs from Vickers Water in Clipstone. We are going to go past the entrance to where Clipstone Colliery would have been and the headstocks. And you can see the headstocks fairly close up. I do find it strange all these vans are parked here though, look. All these vans are all ex-Royal Mail vans. Just parked up. Oh, where's he going with dumper? That big. Oh, he's taking it to the site by the looks of it. Entrance must be down here somewhere. Possibly down that lane there. Okay, so this is the roundabout. If you turn left here, it would take you into a place called King's Clipstone. And we're heading to Old Clipstone. Now we are into the heart of Sherwood Forest. Oh, this is King's Clipstone. Okay, do apologise. Boss. Interesting, lot. The sign for King's Clipstone there, lot. They've done it as looks like it's in the style of King John's Castle. So down here, you can visit an old ruins, which is King John's Castle. And the best place to probably park is in the pub down here on the right, which is called the Dog and Duck, and you can park in there and have a nice drink and a meal and then have a walk down to the ruins because they're not far away from the Dog and Duck. So as we're coming up here on the right, you have Sherwood Pines and Go Ape. So if you want to do Go Ape, this is where you would go to do it. It's on the right there, and lots of really good cycling routes here as well, mountain bike routes, and they do have concerts here in the summer. There's some big names. And then the back end of Sherwood Pines actually joins on to Center Parcs, although I don't think you can actually get in to Sherwood Pines from Center Parcs. I think Center Parcs is fairly enclosed. So this road will bring us out. There's a crossroads up here at Edwinstowe, top of Edwinstowe. That's what we're turning right. And you can see the signs, Center Parcs, and if you go left, you can go up to the Major Oak, which is reputedly Robin Hood's hideout, where Robin Hood used to hide. So if you're stopping at Center Parcs, then the visitor centre's definitely worth a visit. And obviously it's only a mile or two away, it's not far at all. And Center Parcs entrance is just along here on the right, and then on the left you've got Amon Corner karting track, which is a very, very good karting circuit. So slow down here, show you the entrance to Center Parcs. I'm not going to go into it because obviously I'm not staying at Center Parcs, so I'll be making a mistake if I go into it, because I'll have to try and turn around. So there you go, there's the entrance to Center Parcs. So I hope that helped you, and I hope you enjoyed the ride. Make sure you subscribe to join us again.